By the way, guys, there is no voices. For some reason, I just noticed this, but on Mobizen, if you're calling someone while you're recording, it doesn't work. I don't understand why, but it is. Remember the video that I deleted a few minutes later, the one that was Roblox voice chat be like, because there was no sound. So yeah, I was just gonna play with my friend and stuff. And yeah, that was all I was gonna do. So you could just watch how bad I was without no music and stuff. And that's kind of sad. I don't understand why Mobizen does this, but like I should get a new recording website or device thing. I don't know. I might not upload this video, but I might also will to Mobizen. I really wish you guys to please make this happen. So yeah. Oof. Okay, guys. So me and Sam we were playing FNF Funky Friday. Look at Sam. He's beating me up. So I dressed up as his own avatar to fool him around. And it was so funny. But I don't know why these recording apps just don't work and doesn't let you call people while doing the video. By the way, you see I kind of suck at this, so yeah, don't judge. But at the end we played Babipu and stuff. I can't redo the music because it still doesn't work with that. But still, I will not be calling anyone when I do these videos. I just downloaded a new one, but this new one didn't work either. But this new one looks better because it actually is good, and its a little recording thing is smaller, which I like more than Mobizen, because the Mobizen little recording button thing is so giant. Like I wish it wasn't. So then we picked Blame the B-side and stuff. Sam loves this one, and yeah, we had a lot of fun on this, by the way. Just saying, I am so impressed with Sam on this game. He's so good. It's been a few months since FNF came out and he's been practicing a lot. I kind of suck. I kind of am good, but dude, he is a cool man. He's really sick. He's gonna get when he turns 13, he will get his own email and make his own channel without his mom deleting his videos and stuff. Yeah. So I don't know why, but if you guys don't know who Sam is, go on some of the videos that I did, like the vlog one where when I was drinking water and then it dropped on my phone and my phone got wet. That's the guy, Samito. Samito. So yeah, he's a really cool guy. I love him. He's my friend. I've been friends with him for 2 whole years now. It's not too much, but I still love being friends with him. He's the nicest friend ever. And yeah, I'm just saying, bruh, this is kind of weird for recording apps to not show their stuff, and that's kind of weird. I don't understand, but I still kind of do. Okay, then after we finished this, I got to play Blamed. I mean, I just bought some Peppy Cola, the soda in this game. I bought some. We went back to the stage, and I don't remember what we picked. Oh yeah, we picked Ballistic on hard mode. We picked Ballistic on hard mode, but Sam wanted to play something else, like a different song, but they picked Ballistic instead. So yeah. Okay, so after we finished this really long song, yes, Sam said that it's kind of weird looking at the same avatar. And that's kind of true. Looking at your same avatar just makes you feel weird. And then for the last finishing touch, we played Babipoo and then ended the whole video. We did it on hard mode. Yes, I'm eating something, don't judge. And yeah, so watch us playing Babipoo without no sound. It's kind of weird that Mobizen doesn't let sound happen. I don't understand, but I still kind of don't. So yeah. After we finished that, I showed Sam the thumbnail, which is kind of funny, and he laughed. And when I was going to show the video, I showed him, and for some reason there was no sound. And he was kind of confused too. So that's kind of weird. I don't understand why when you call someone on Mobizen, it doesn't work. So yeah, we're just gonna start and yeah. Bye. Have a nice day.